Honda is the smart choice of wise customers. Follow scheduled maintenance at authorized Honda Service Center to ensure excellent performance of your Honda vehicle for years. Honda certified technicians know your vehicle inside out, ensuring highest quality level of service. All lights and electricals gadgets are checked to ensure proper operation. Meter functions are checked to ensure all warning lights are displayed. All interior controls and switches are checked to ensure proper operation. Engine oil condition and level is checked to confirm engine condition. Coolant prevents engine overheating and rusting of internal parts. Always replace with Honda genuine coolant. Middle East sandy environment can clog air filter easily. If not replaced, can lead to low engine power and high fuel consumption. Battery is a vital part. Periodic inspections can avoid engine starting problems. Honda batteries are specially designed for high temperature environment. Brake fluid inspection is a key safety factor. Ensure replacement with genuine brake fluid as required. Drive belt inspection can avoid related system failures due to any crack or slack on the belt. Genuine wiper washer fluid effectively cleans the windshield for clearer visibility. Suspension and other components are inspected for looseness, breakage and leakages. Engine oil needs to be replaced as lubrication properties decreases over time, gets thicker and forms sludge, reducing engine power and fuel economy. Genuine engine oil filter removes carbon and foreign particles from oil to ensure proper lubrication. Genuine engine oil is specially formulated for Honda engines to give better engine power, high fuel economy, and to last up to 1 million kilometers. Genuine transmission fluid transmits power from engine to transmission, enhances smooth shifting, and avoids failure of transmission. Genuine differential fluid lubricates internal parts, enhances four-wheel drive performance, and avoids any failures. Tyres are inspected for wear and damages, pressures are checked. Additionally, wheel rotation, balancing and wheel alignment are done as required to ensure smooth driving. For your safety, brakes are inspected for wear and tear. Genuine brake pads give better braking performance and lasts longer. AC filter keeps away bacteria, viruses and dirt from entering inside the cabin. Replacement ensures proper airflow and avoid any health hazards. Fuel filter removes foreign particles from fuel. Timely replacement avoids clogging and loss of power. Engine cleaner cleans the fuel injectors and removes carbon from the engine. Valve clearance adjustments are needed if engine noise is high. Honda certified technicians are experts to adjust it perfectly. For Middle East environment, AC cooling performance and airflow is ensured to be at optimum levels. Using Honda Diagnostic Tool, all systems like engine, transmission and others are checked. Audio and navigation systems are updated with the latest software. Recalls are checked and repaired. Honda certified quality inspectors check every vehicle thoroughly prior to delivery. Honda Care by Authorized Service Center ensures schedule your next service with Honda Authorized Service Center for peaceful and trouble-free driving for years to come.